Welcome back to another Space Gas video tutorial. Today's video will look at another new feature in Space Gas, the Advanced Plate Selection tool. This tool can be used to select plates that have the same properties and are connected at plate edges within a specified angle tolerance. To demonstrate the Advanced Plate Selection tool, we will select and delete the inner plates at the intersection of the two members in the model on the screen. To use the Advanced Plate Selection tool, select a plate, right-click, and select Advanced Plate Selection. Alternatively, click on the Advanced Plate Selection toolbar button. Any plate selected after this will use the Advanced Plate Selection tool to select connected plates that meet the selection preferences. Once plates are selected, adjacent unselected plates are evaluated using the Advanced Plate Selection criteria. Any qualifying plate is added, and this process continues until no further plates qualify. The selection criteria can be changed by clicking the Plate Selection Method toolbar button and then selecting Advanced Plate Selection Preferences. The angle tolerance input defines the out-of-plane tolerance between plates sharing a common edge. Any plate that exceeds this threshold will not be added to the plate selection. The Same Loads in Load Cases input adds plate loads to the selection criteria. The Current Selected Load Cases input adds the load case selected in the renderer to the selection criteria. All other load cases are not included. Alternatively, Load Case List allows users to specify the exact load cases to include in the selection criteria. It is important to note that only primary load cases can be included in the selection criteria, and load combinations cannot be included. For more video tutorials like these, don't forget to subscribe to Space Gas.